Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our C300 4MATIC badging. Clean set of floor mats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, a dark brown linden wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel, controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, satellite radio, a rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, our turn wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 24,181 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300, check out feldmanimports.com.